No, the cat's down. The cat. Hello, cat. Alright, welcome back to Deadbolt, guys. Let's get going. The flames roar to life. Twins lost at sea of lust and of pain. Women without love cannot live with me. Twins. Amber and Evelyn run brothels downtown. They are high-ranking members of the 1000-Year Royals. They must understand the cryptic messages I have been finding in the club's safes. Okay. Intel. Twins have somehow made each other their phylactery. I have to kill both at nearly the same time. Oh no! I literally just thought of that. I'm like, oh, two people? Twins? Do I have to kill them at the same time? Oh, okay. Brothels, the vampires are both the most attractive and sexually active and undead, so it comes naturally. This is gonna be bad. Okay, twin vampires are running a brothel. Shut it down. Shame, another slow night. Okay. Ah, fuck. He didn't die that fast. Okay, this is gonna be a little tough because I don't actually have a gun. Now I do. Oh, I killed his thing already. That's cool. Oh, she has fucking dual guns. That's amazing. Come on. Come after me. Okay. Ah, shit. Let's try to... Okay, I can't kill her at the moment, that's the bad thing. Okay, so this is the way I'm gonna kill her. Don't want to waste any bullets. I don't understand how I went from here to here. Really? Come on. Okay, that's good. What? Oh, I threw it in the way I was pointing. Might be. I wasted 2 of those bullets, and nothing came out of it. Bullshit. Oh, okay. I thought 2 hits would be enough, though. I was wrong. My head came off. Ow. I feel like it's really RNG whether these dogs will hit you or not. Like, maybe I'm just doing it wrong. I don't know. I'm not gonna risk it. Just gonna blow their heads off. What the fuck happened to my scythe? Make sure to check the mission objective. I know what the objective is. Not dumb. Okay. Come on down! The party's waiting for you, vampire dude! Come on! I'm waiting for you! Oh, did you see that? That was timing. Were they drinking this girl's blood? I don't blame them. Okay. She has a fucking sword. There we go. You can't stop the harvest! Too bad, lady. Just did. Amber and Evelyn. 10 deaths, it's fine. Yeah, 3 stars, it's fine. What guns could I get? I really need my second weapon to be a gun, because it's just more handy that way. Blender pulls, holds 1 shot, holds 2 bullets, stuns on nearby enemies. That's not really helping me. I was gonna get the tactical, because I wanted the scythe just for the looks. Like, honestly, I'm a Reaper, I should deserve a scythe. But I'll wait until next mission to get my SMG. Flames stay extinguished. A club the candles have been investigating has suddenly gone quiet, along with the candles. What happened inside? There's no intel, the fireplace seems quiet. Why? The club is strangely quiet. What happened? What? What are these guys? What? Oh, Mokel. What? Fucking okay then. Oh yeah. I'm completely fine with this. Oh, fucking assault rifle. Fuck you. Ugh. I just realized they give you one outright. Oh, that's a sauna shotgun. They're tanky. Okay. Jesus. I hate false weapons like this. Oh no. Oh, it's an elevator. That's cool. Try a different sequence. Yeah. I need to kill all the undead though. That's like a set. That's great. There we go. Let's go up. Kill him. Go ahead, bros. Bring it. Kill and coming back up. I've already did it. Oh, there's more back up. You're kidding me. Yes, kill me, I get it. I'm gonna aim for the 10mm. And if I run out, I got a gun right here. Kill the succubus. Kill the incoming backup. There's more? Jesus Christ. They're not moving. That means I'm gonna have to risk this. Thank you! Oh, I didn't have any more ammo besides that. I had a hammer to throw at least. 3 backups! 3! A lot to give! 17 deaths, wow. Now I can get my SMG, boys! Ha ha ha! Boom, boom, boom. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, bow. So, silent weapon with a laser holds 30 rounds. Yeah! And now I'm probably just gonna go through the list and get them all, honestly. I'm not sure if this game has a New Game Plus to it, because if it does, that means you can get all weapons. Or maybe the later missions give you more souls, because I don't think I'm going to be able to get them all, and oh, I just realized I have a bed now. It's nice. Also, because I died before getting it, I missed a cassette. That was annoying. But, I'm like halfway through the game, I think? Hang on a second, let me check. Yeah, 52%. So, Stella. So, yeah. I got a reflection. It's cute. It's not even a proper reflection. It's like not the back of my head or anything. The flames roar to life. The undead have somehow been turning their own bodies into ash. Is that the purpose of all these clubs? Sir Stella, the head of the 1,000-year royals, most likely knows how this was done. You will know the key. Betrayal of kin. A man without guilt cannot live with me. Sir Stella's private condominium is heavily guarded, so expect heavy opposition. The Stellas are a royal family of vampires. Any activity in the 1,000-year royals would not go without them knowing. He keeps saying stuff about how people can't live with him. Is this because he's trying to make a new world? And these undead shouldn't be here or something? I don't know. Oh boy. You have done a good job, friend. Feel pride in what you have helped craft. What the fuck? Hi. Oh, hi. I was trying to go through the fucking grate. What? What was that about? Oh, he was behind the couch. I didn't see that. Alright, goddammit. There's a gun there. I need that gun. Fuck. Did I drop my scythe for it? Whatever. I'm going for my fucking tactical. Actually, I can just keep on switching. I think. I don't know. I think once I use ammo from a gun, I can't put it back. Wait. I'm out of ammo. It's not as powerful as I expected it to be. Hating these guys. Come on. Didn't expect them all to come down. What? This game has absurd physics sometimes. A logic. I'm knocking. Okay, I am knocking game. Oh shit, this is a mistake. Oh jeez. Bow, 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 bow. Bow. Bow, meow, meow. I need to take the elevator up. Oh my god. Okay, I got an idea of what I'm doing now. Except for that one attack is something I just can't plan for. Like, I need to attack before he's able to even, like, think of starting his attack. Oh my god. Afterlife sucks. Bam, bam. Oh my god! A fresh perspective isn't gonna help me with a fucking roundhouse swing. Oh, it's all about whether he will attack or not. That's literally what this is about, it feels like. Like, the times I do kill him is because he doesn't think to attack. Oh my god. It's time for me to shoot some up. Oh my god, he's still alive? Just fucking die, guys! You're undead! Surely it doesn't hurt that much. You don't have a life anymore. How about you? Oh. I left my scythe out there though. Jeez. Four stars.